Can you repair a stripped skateboard kingpin bolt? Imagine you're about to hit the skate park, but your trucks feel loose or won't tighten properly. That might be because your kingpin bolt is stripped. A stripped kingpin bolt is a common problem for skaters, especially those who adjust their trucks often. The kingpin is the big bolt that holds the truck parts together, running through the base plate and securing the bushings and hanger. When the threads on this bolt get damaged or worn out, it can be tough or impossible to tighten or loosen the nut. This can affect how your skateboard turns and feels, and even compromise safety. Now, fixing a stripped kingpin bolt isn't as simple as tightening a nut. The threads are worn down, so the nut no longer grips properly. This can happen from over-tightening, using the wrong tools, or just regular wear over time. If you keep riding with a loose or damaged kingpin, it can lead to more serious issues like the truck coming apart or the board feeling unstable. Most skate shops and experienced skaters agree that trying to repair a stripped kingpin bolt isn't a good idea. Unlike axle bolts, which can sometimes be rethreaded with a die, kingpins are harder to fix because they are inside the truck baseplate. Plus, they are load-bearing parts, so any repair that weakens the bolt might cause it to break while you're riding. That's why most recommend replacing the entire kingpin instead of trying to fix it. Replacing a kingpin involves removing the old, damaged bolt from the truck baseplate. Sometimes the bolt is stuck or broken, so you might need a hammer and a nail set to drive it out. Once you get the old kingpin out, you need to get a new one that matches your truck model. Most kingpins are either 8mm or 10mm in diameter, and they come in different lengths. Make sure to buy the right size to keep your trucks functioning properly. The replacement process usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. When installing the new kingpin, put it through the baseplate, add the bushings and hanger, then tighten the nut. Use a skate tool or socket wrench to avoid stripping the threads again. Always tighten the nut just enough so the trucks turn smoothly but don't feel loose. Over-tightening can damage the threads, leading to another stripped bolt. To prevent this from happening in the future, avoid over-tightening the kingpin nut. Use proper tools and check the tightness regularly. If the nut feels hard to turn or the threads look worn, replace the kingpin sooner rather than later. Lubricating the threads with a little bit of skateboard-specific lubricant can also help keep them in good shape. In the end, a stripped kingpin bolt is a sign that it's time for a replacement. Repairing it isn't reliable or safe, so swapping it out is the best move. Regularly inspecting your trucks and using the right tools will help keep your setup solid and your ride smooth. Remember, safety always comes first when skateboarding.